Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to turn plain text into cool halftone art using Canva's easy tools? Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for the dimensions. This sets the canvas to a square format, perfect for your project. Confirm the size to start designing with the specified 300 x 300 pixel canvas. Next, add the text by clicking Add Heading. Then, type the desired text into the heading box. Next, change the text font to your preferred style. After adjusting the font, save your changes. Finally, click the Share button to share your work with others. This completes the process of customizing and sharing your text. Increase the image size for better quality, then select PNG as the file format. Finally, click the Download button to save the image to your device. This ensures a high-quality saved file. Save your work, delete the old text, drag the new text into place, then click to confirm the changes and update your project accordingly. First, click Edit, then select Inverse to invert the image. Next, click Edit again, choose See All under Tools, and locate the desired option from the list. This allows you to apply various adjustments to your image effectively and efficiently. Click the Cool Image option and set the intensity to 50. After adjusting the intensity, navigate back to the previous menu. This allows you to review your changes and continue with the next steps in the process. Make sure to confirm your settings before proceeding. Open the Apps menu and select Screen. Choose half one to split the view. This setting displays two apps side by side, allowing efficient multitasking and showcasing your final layout perfectly organized. Click Save to finalize your changes. Your text is now converted into a Heading 1 format. To share your work, simply click the Share button and choose your preferred sharing option. Download your file and save it as a PNG image, or choose the PDF format to export the frame for higher quality and easy sharing. Choose optimal print settings. Now you know how to create awesome halftone text in Canva-like, and subscribe for more cool design tips.